upbeat music playing. Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between two titans, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Spoiler alert, they're both called Kobra 2 Neo, but trust me, there's more to this story than just a name. Ready? Let's get into it. Let's start with the first thing that hits us all in the wallet: price. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer comes in at a very wallet-friendly $239, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is priced at $279. That's a $40 difference, folks. For $40, you could buy yourself a nice dinner or a mediocre dinner if you live in New York. But seriously, if you're pinching pennies, the Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer is already looking pretty good. Next up, let's talk speed. Both of these bad boys boast a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second and a recommended speed of 150 millimeters per second. That's like comparing two Ferraris at a stoplight. Both are going to leave you in the dust. So, if you're in a rush to print your next masterpiece, either one will get the job done faster than you can say extruder malfunction. Now let's get technical with the extruder and cooling system. Both Kobras come with a newly upgraded extrusion system and a 60W hot end. Plus, they're both equipped with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. Basically, these things could probably cool your entire apartment if you let them. So, whether you're using the Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer or the Kobra 2 Neo, your filament is melting and cooling faster than a hot knife through butter. Yum! Alright, print nerds, this one's for you. Print quality. Both models feature linear propulsion and input shaping functions in Marlin firmware to reduce spillage and print resonance. Translation: smoother and clearer model details, even if you're a total newbie. So, you can go from zero to hero in no time, and your friends will think you've been 3D printing since the Stone Age. And now, the piece de resistance, automatic leveling. Both Kobras come with LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling. This means the Z-axis offset is intelligently compensated after automatic leveling, making it super easy for novices to get started. Basically, these printers do all the hard work for you, so you can sit back, relax, and pretend you know what you're doing. Fake it till you make it, right? Last but not least, customer service. Both printers come with a 1-year after service, with the print head warranted for 3 months and the heated bed for 6 months. Plus, you get lifetime technical support. Talk about a safety net. So if you ever find yourself in a 3D printing pickle, Anycubic's got your back. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer has received mixed reviews. Many users praise its high-speed printing capability, ease of setup, and large build volume. However, some users have faced issues with network connectivity and nozzle jams. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is lauded for its speed, quiet operation, and high-quality prints, especially for its price point. Some minor issues include extruder struggles and noise, but overall, it's recommended for beginners and those on a budget. So there you have it, folks. Both Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer and Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo are neck and neck in this epic showdown. The only real difference? $40. If you're on a budget, go for the Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer. If you've got a bit more cash to splash, the Kobra 2 Neo is a solid choice. Either way, you're getting a stellar 3D printer. Don't forget to smash that like button, Subscribe for more Buy Smart content, and let us know in the comments which Kobra you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.